Are you using Blender 5.2 and do you want to download free assets made by Blender? First go to Edit, click on Preferences, click on System, check Allow Online Access. Now close the preferences. Change one of your windows into an asset browser. Click on the Editor Type icon in the corner. Select Asset Browser. On the left, click on the Library selector. Select Essentials. Select Materials. Now you can see all the materials. The ones with the cloud icon are online. They are not on your computer yet. If you want to download an asset, hover your mouse over the one you want. Click on the download button and now the asset is downloaded on your computer. Now drag the material on your object. And this is how it looks. You can do the same for objects. For HDR eyes. And for geometry nodes. And this is all free from Blender itself.